Wolff-Parkinson-White, WPW. Wolff-Parkinson-White, WPW, syndrome is a condition in which there is an abnormal extra electrical pathway in the heart. This can lead to episodes of rapid heart rate, tachycardia. Anatomy of the heart. The heart has 4 chambers and an electrical system that controls the heartbeat. In WPW, an accessory pathway called the bundle of Kent allows electrical signals to bypass the normal route. What is WPW syndrome? WPW syndrome is a pre-excitation syndrome that causes supraventricular tachycardia due to an abnormal conduction pathway. Pathophysiology. The accessory pathway allows electrical impulses to bypass the AV node, resulting in early activation of the ventricles and potentially causing reentrant tachycardia. Causes. WPW is usually congenital and may be associated with genetic mutations. It can also be seen in conjunction with other heart conditions. Risk factors. Family history of WPW, certain congenital heart defects, and being male are known risk factors. Signs and symptoms. Common symptoms include palpitations, dizziness, shortness of breath, fainting, and chest pain. Some individuals may be asymptomatic. ECG findings. Characteristic findings include a short PR interval, delta wave, and wide QRS complex. Diagnosis. Diagnosis is confirmed through ECG, Holter monitoring, and sometimes electrophysiological studies. Treatment options includes vagal maneuvers, antiarrhythmic medications, catheter ablation, most definitive, and in emergencies, cardioversion. Emergency management. In case of hemodynamic instability, synchronized cardioversion is recommended. Adenosine may be used in stable patients. Nursing care plan. Monitor vital signs, prepare for emergency interventions, educate patient on avoiding triggers, and support post-ablation recovery. Patient education. Teach about symptom recognition, when to seek emergency care, medication adherence, and follow-up care. Prognosis. With treatment, most patients lead normal lives. Catheter ablation has a high success rate with low recurrence.